This is Gaston Network. We have to interrupt the following program to bring you the announcement from the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister David Cameron has officially signed a prompt of the weather rain, and we do not tolerate that at all. The Met Office was officially issued red weather warnings for parts of the UK this weekend. But we'll keep you updated as soon as we can.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing.
We have received more information about the rain in the UK. The Prime Minister and the Met Office says that the weather issued red weather warnings for the entire Britain tomorrow morning in all places of the UK. This is called rain invasion. We are now getting reports on how did it happen. We have no time for Gaston and friends tonight. We'll now bring you to the news headlines on the rain invasion. Sorry for this, but normal programming is suspended.
We are unable to bring you a regular schedule programming because of rain that it is hitting into with some laser eye powers.
Everybody
Everybody evacuate.